Guys, here is why you should never, ever tamper with fire alarms in public. If you tamper with fire alarms in public, you're going to get in big trouble. You're going to get fined and you're going to get arrested, which is not what you want. So never tamper with fire alarms in public, okay? What do I mean by tampering with fire alarms is taking the plate off the alarm, screwing and unscrewing the alarm, taking the alarm off the wall, painting the alarm, disabling the strobe and the sound on the alarm, taking the strobe off the alarm, taking the horn out of the alarm, adjusting the volume and the pattern on the alarm, taking the wires off the alarm, cutting power to the alarm. You don't ever do that. Also changing the candela on the strobe. Or if your alarm is a multi-tone alarm, changing the tone on the alarm. This is stuff you should never ever do in public. It is wrong and unnecessary. And you'll be asking me, why am I tampering with a fire alarm? But you can't. Because this alarm is my own alarm. I can do whatever I want to this alarm, but if you're doing anything to an alarm in public, that is not okay. Do not pull fire alarms unless there is a real emergency. You can get arrested for that too. False pulling fire alarms is a very serious felony and can get you into a lot of trouble. So, do not ever pull fire alarms in public unless there is a real fire. Or if there's a fire drill and they give you permission to pull the alarm for that. Or if you're testing the alarm system and you have permission. Or if you have your own alarm at home, you can do that. But the bottom line is, don't pull fire alarms in public unless there really is a fire. These are things you should never do in public. You don't tamper with fire alarm equipment. You don't pull it. You don't do any of that. Leave the alarm the way it is and only pull it if there is a real emergency. And never ever tamper with fire alarm equipment. Bye!